Welcome back to Ganesh Institute channel. So in today's video we are going to discuss about Euclid's algorithm and questions based on it. So here the question is given and taken from the NCERT question number 2. Show that positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5 where q is some integer. Now, whenever you are getting these sort of questions, just relate them with Euclid's division algorithm. So we have already studied about Euclid's division lemma. What is it? That any positive integer can be represented as, if a is a positive integer, it can be represented as bq plus r, where the condition is r will always be equal or greater than 0 and less than b. Correct. So now, if you can compare this with this equation or this, you can say expansion, then what is given? Here is q plus something and multiplication. So that means b is 6. If we substitute b as 6, so what will be the possible values of r? So possible values of r would be always less than b. R will be less than b and starting from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 less than b, which is 6 here. So less than 6. All these values are possible, right? Now again check out the keyword. Keyword is you have to show any positive odd integer. So if you are assuming let a be that positive integer, be the odd positive integer, then how many of these are odd numbers? 1, 3 and 5, which are not divisible by 2, right? So that means A can be represented as BQ, which is 6Q plus R when R is 1. Then out of these values we can take 3 also, because it is also an odd number. And then we can take 5 also out of these possible values where R is 5. Getting my point? So this is the Euclid's division lemma, and based on this, this type of question can be asked, and this is the very basic question. Let's level up. Now, question can ask you in this way. Use Euclid's division lemma to show that the square of any positive integer is of the form 3m plus 1 for some integer m. Now we have already studied that by Euclid's division lemma, what is there? The condition is A is equal to BQ plus R, where the condition for R is R should be greater than or equal to 0 and less than B. Correct. Now what is given with the variable 3? So we are assuming let A be the positive integer. Okay. And now B is what? 3 here for this question. So this lemma will be formulated as BQ, that means 3Q plus R. Now possible values of R can be, if we put B as 3, so possible values of R are, the least we can have 0 and we need to have less than 3. So 0, 1, 2. Only these possible values we can have, correct? So let's put all of them one by one into this equation. So A is 3Q plus 0 when R is 0. A can be 3Q plus, if we substitute R as 1, 3Q plus 1. And A can be, where R is 1. A can be 3Q plus 2 where R is 2. Correct? Now, if question would have asked us that to show the positive integer only in the form of something, then we could have left this up to this only. But the question is asking the square of any positive integer. So we have to do the square of this positive. So squaring both sides, a square is equal to 3 3s are 9 q square. But we have to show the answer in the form of 3m. So what you will do, bring 3 common, bring 3 out. So what is left? 3 times 3 is 9. We have to make 9. So 3q square is left. Now whatever is left, you can make it as m, where m is some integer of the form 3q plus 3q square. So you have to prove as 3m, the square of the number as 3m, right? But what we have got is 9q square. So to make it 3m, just take 3 as common. Whatever will be left, that will be your m. See here also, if you do squaring both sides, it will be a square and 3q plus 1 whole square, right? So a square will be, what is the a plus b whole square identity? It is, you know very well, x plus y whole square is x square plus y square plus 2xy. Correct? This is the identity. So a square, which is 3q, b square plus 2ab. Correct? So now 3 3s are 9q square. Here 3 2s are 6q and 1 square is 1. But what we want now? 3m plus 1. Correct? So 1 we have got. Now with these two we have to make 3m. And how it can be possible? So if you put 9q square and 6q together and 1 separately, and if you take 3 as common, what is left? 3 3s are 9q square plus 3 2s are 6q plus 1. And now you can say this is 3m plus 1, where m is what? Where m is this whole thing, 3q square plus 2q. Okay. Similarly, if you see here, you have third condition as a is equals to 3q plus 2. Again squaring both sides, a square will be 3q ka whole square. That means 9q square plus 2 square 4, then 2ab. Correct? So here 9q square plus 3 to the 6 to the 12 q can be taken together plus 2 to the 4. Correct? Now this can also be done and taken forward, but we only have to prove 3m and 3m plus 1. So what we can do here, let me remove this part. Okay, so see, we only have to make 3m plus 1, correct? So let's split this 4 into 3 plus 1. Okay, we can write 4 as 3 plus 1. Now what is with us is 9q square plus 12q plus 3 plus 1. So what we will do, we can take 3 common from this part. What is left? 3q square, 3 4s are 12q plus 3 1s are 3. And what is there? Plus 1. Now what we can say that it is a square 3m plus 1, where m is what? M is this whole thing, 3q square plus 4q plus 1. Hope you have understood this. Now take one more example, and that will be the most important question which we can consider. See, now in this question you have to do the cube. This is the keyword. Cube of the positive integer of the form this you have to prove. Okay. Now again, by Euclid's division lemma, you have a is equals to bq plus r, where this is the condition, right? Now what are the possible values of r? To check this out, we have to take b. Now I have already told you that whatever is with m or q or any variable, you have to take that b. But here, if you take b as 9, then the possible values of r will become 0 till 8, right? Because it is less than b, it's not equal. So that will become less than 8, less than 9, which is 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All these values will become possible values of r. And then that question will become lengthiest, right? For you to solve everything in this form. So to make it simpler, take the smallest factor of this, prime factor of this number, which is what? 3. Correct. So b is 3. Now a will become 3q plus r, where this will be b will be 3. So possible values of r will become what? Firstly 0, then 1, then 2. We cannot take 3 because it is not equal to. It should be less than 3. So these are the values. Now if you substitute here the values of b and r. So firstly a is what? 3q plus r is what? Initially 0, where r is 0. Then the second part will be a is equals to bq, which is 3q plus r. R is what? 1. And then a will be 3q plus r is what? 2. Now because you have to find out the cube, so you have to do cubing both sides. Okay. If you do so, a cube will become 3q whole cube. Now you know 3 times 3 is 9. Then again 9 times 3 is 27 q cube. But what you have to make is this 9m, right? So therefore, what we are taking out is, let's take out 9. What is left? 9 3s are 27, right? So I have taken out 9 as common. Now whatever is there, you can assume it as m, where m is what? M is 3q cube, right? Then you have a is equals to 3q plus 1, again cubing both sides. Now may I ask you, what is the formula of x plus y whole cube? It is a cube, that means x cube, y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square. Correct? Or you may have studied this way, x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. Both are equal, but we are taking the most expanded form, which is this, right? Now, if you do cubing of 3q plus 1, then you will get a is 3q, b is 1, right? So a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square, right? So expand it. 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27 q cube plus 1 cube is 1. 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27 q square plus 3 3s are 9 cube. 1 square is 1, right? Now what we have to prove is 9m plus 1, right? So 1 is here, rest all need to be made as 9m. So I am taking them all together and then 1 separately because it is the desired result. So a cube will become, I am taking 9 as common. So 9 3s are 27. 9 3s are 27 q square plus 9 has been taken out, so only q. Now this whole bit is 9m as root. So we are taking this as m. Hope you have understood. Similarly, if you have to do this bit, which is the third part, try solving it. A is equals to what? 3q plus 2, right? So again, cubing both sides, a cube will be 3q plus 2 whole cube, and that will become a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square, right? So now 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, q cube, 2 cube is 8, don't make it 6, it is 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, q, sorry, this is skipped. 3 3s are 9, so let's do it again. 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 2s are 54, right? So this will become 54 q square plus 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12, 3s are 36 q. Correct? What we want here to prove is 9m plus 8. So 8 is here, rest need to be made as 9. So write them all together. What is left? What need to be taken separately is 8. So here we go. We have taken 9, or we are taking 9 as common. What is left? 9 3s are, that means 3q cube. 9 6 are, 9 4s are 36 plus 8. Now this will be treated as m, and this has become 9m plus 8, where m is what? 3q plus 6q square plus 4q. Hope you have understood this, and if so, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Till my next video, take care of yourself. Bye bye.